What is going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to show you guys how to veganize Taco Bell's Crunchwrap Supreme. I'm super excited to share this recipe. It's super easy and simple, so let's jump right into it. All right, so for this recipe, you guys are going to need some extra large tortillas. These are going to work best because when you're folding to make the Crunchwrap Supreme, the bigger the tortilla, the better. And we'll also need some tostadas because without these, it's not a crunch wrap. So make sure you have that, and then whatever toppings you guys like. I'm gonna use these hot and sweet jalapenos because I'm absolutely in love with these right now. And then we got a fresh tomato, and then I don't have iceberg lettuce, but I do have some green cabbage, so I'm gonna chop that up, and I believe it's pretty much gonna give it that same crunchy flavor. And then I'm gonna make mine with a twist. I'm gonna use these refried pinto beans, and these are like salsa style, so they got some extra spices in them. And then I got my cashew fiesta dip, which I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's too bright. But this serves as the cashew queso right here. And then I'm also gonna be thinning this out the same way I did in my easy nachos recipe, which I posted last week. So pretty much the same exact recipe for that. Sour cream is optional and I don't have any, so I'm gonna use this unsweetened plant-based yogurt right here. It has that sour cream flavor in my opinion, so I think with all the flavors, it's gonna work just fine. So let's start making this. So I'm just gonna chop up this cabbage real quick. So I'm actually not gonna thin this out. I'm gonna use it as is. And I think the thicker, the better, honestly, because if it's too melty, I don't think that'll work good with this. So I'm gonna put some on here, and then we're gonna add the refried beans on top. All right, now this is the fun part. We gotta fold it to make a crunch wrap. And now we are gonna throw this on a panini press. Okay, it is time for a taste test. Now that we have successfully cooled down, I think I can take a bite without burning my mouth, but no guarantees, but let's do it. It's still really, really hot. And I know you guys are like, what happened to the jalapenos? I actually had to unroll it, put the jalapenos back in there, and then I threw it on the panini press. So I did not forget the jalapenos, but I did forget the salsa, unfortunately. That's my bad right there. Definitely forgot the salsa, but it still has a good flavor, honestly. I don't think the salsa is a make or break. No lie, guys, that thing is absolutely delicious, and it's so easy to make. It literally took me under 5 minutes to make this thing. Okay, that's an exaggeration, but it took me under 10 minutes to make this thing. So it's very simple, and you guys could do it as well. There's nothing fancy here. The only item that might be hard to find is the vegan queso, but if that's the case, you can definitely make your own. I have a recipe actually on my channel where I'm making queso. Very simple, out of cashews and nutritional yeast spices, so you guys can check that out if you want. But other than that, all the rest of the ingredients are super easy to find, and I know everyone can find them in all of their stores. So if you guys make this, please definitely let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. We are getting close to 1,000. I think I'm at like 670, I believe. So we are getting very close to 1,000 subs, and I couldn't have done it without you guys, obviously. Everyone who subscribes, I really appreciate it. And for those people who watch the videos all the way to the end, thank you. So that wraps up this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.